Hello everyone and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where we're here in Skegness. Now we're actually going to be visiting Butlins and also Fantasy Island, so stay tuned for those vlogs coming up this week here on the channel. Now I thought I want to come down here to Skegness Seafront and Skegness Pleasure Beach to actually come and check out their brand new ride for 2025. It's been a while since they've had a major new addition here at this park. It's located here on the seafront. You've got the iconic Queen Bee Junior roller coaster on the arcade there. Up on the roof, you've got the rock and roller on the other side, the Ferris wheel, and quite a few other rides. In fact, we did film a full vlog from here, checking out all the different rides in the park, including on-ride POVs, only last summer here on the channel. So make sure you check that out if you want to see the rest of the park. But I thought before we make our way down to Butlins, we come here and check out their new dark ride for this year. It's been built in a building that used to be an arcade, actually underneath the rock and roller spinning coaster. And it's not very often really that we get new dark rides opening in the UK. It's dinosaur themed. The park have been advertising it and promoting it on social media for the past couple of months. And I thought when we come down here to Skegness, got to come down here to Butlins and check it out. So come and join us. And of course, always love a visit down here to Skegness. Lots to see, lots to do, loads of attractions. We were down here last summer and we did Natureland, the Seal Sanctuary. We also went to Skegness Aquarium and did quite a few different things whilst we were here. So check out those vlogs across both of our channels. You haven't already seen them, here's Charlotte.
That is the good thing with Skegness. There is so much to do. Like if you're here for a week, you can do a different attraction every day because there's so much.
The question is though, are you ready to Butlins?
I'm ready to Butlins. I'm always ready to Butlins.
Hey, so we're going to be making our way down there next. And we'll have our day one vlog coming up from Butlins next here on the channel. We're going to be doing 2 vlogs there, and yeah, also Fantasy Island as well. So
really nice. I do love Butlins, and Fantasy Island's got a great charm about it.
It has. I love a good visit to Fantasy Island in Ingham Hills, obviously the next resort, just down the coast. Yeah, it's just an off-peak day in June today, not too busy at all, but the park is open. Skegness Pleasure Beach, or Skegness Amusements as it says here on the sign. Officially goes by the name of Skegness Pleasure Beach though. And here we are inside the park. Yeah, it's a free to enter amusement park, and that's the good thing with somewhere like this. You can just come in, pay to do one or a couple of rides, or you can get a wristband as well. They often do like an evening wristband in the summer when it's busy, like during the summer holidays and things. 2 tokens per person or a wristband for the ghost train. Not going to do any of the other rides down here today. I only did them in August last year where we did a full vlog from the park. So yeah, make sure you check that out. But I did definitely want to come down here and get on this new ride. The park have done a lot of promoting about it on social media, and it actually looks really good. Because obviously, you know, it's an amusement park at the seaside. It's not like a theme park here. But what they've done with this attraction, it's all dinosaur themed. It kind of looks like knockoff Jurassic World, basically. So I'm looking forward to giving it a go and seeing what it's like. Yeah, the entrance is just down here on the right-hand side. So you got the big wheel, dodgems, waltzer. Got a few coasters here, including the rock and roller that's up on the roof. That's a really good waltzer actually, you get a good spin on there. Big wheel up there as well, the giant wheel. Obviously we're right down here on the seafront. You've got Skegness Pier around the corner. Just want to go and check and make sure it's open first. The ticket booth's back that way, but yeah, I just wanted to check that it's operational for buying tickets. Here it is. Just see the logo for it. You'll see what I mean with the Jurassic World and Jurassic Park inspiration when we get down here to this. Yeah, that spinning coaster is great fun up there on top of the arcade, the rock and roller. And I say arcade, what used to be an arcade. Oh, there we go, I'm buying me tokens from this machine. There's a dispenser. Let's check this, the doors look closed. Oh no, the entrance is there, is it? Is that it's got a grabber outside, I can't quite tell. I think we look okay. So yeah, this whole building basically used to be an arcade, and obviously this is now home to the new dark ride here, Jurassic Resurrection. Got the dinosaurs out the front. The music's playing. So that's the thing, as much as this is an amusement park, we've got this themed attraction here. Love the logo. Very Jurassic World, isn't it, that? All the branding here and everything like that as well. This looks good. It's like, let's have a little look at this down here. Some animatronics on the outside. Here we go. Oh, look at these. It's kind of like he's breaking through. Oh, I like that. How good's that? So this is actually quite a major dark ride. It's gone a bit under the radar this year. And as you know on the channel, we always like to cover the smaller parks and attractions as well. Yeah, that's brilliant. Is he going to move again? Yeah, like the animatronics have kind of been fastened in, because that's the coaster up there. And literally this was just an arcade before. Yeah, it looks great. Got a few other dinosaurs, like this one's breaking out through the building down here. Oh, there we go, he's moving again now. And you got a small little dino just coming out here. Yeah, it's quite big. It's a tracks ride that we're looking at here. Obviously it comes all the way down here. You got some old wheels there at the sides. Yeah, this looks cracking from the outside. Looks really good from the exterior. Right, let's go and get some tokens. Oh, here we go, he's moving again now. That's great. How good does the exterior look?
This looks really good. We'll get some tokens. It's 3 tokens to go on this, so there's a contactless card thing here, so I'll get some tokens.
Yeah, £3 a ride. Yeah, that's a good price. Brand new dark ride. Here we go. Excited for this. Hey, here we go. Got me 3 tokens here. So yeah, £3 to ride. Do love how it's paper ride here as well as the wristbands. It's quite a good idea actually putting grabbers in the queue line, isn't it really? Minimum height of 1.1 metre unsupervised. Let's look at the full restrictions. Listen to the music. I don't know how they're getting away with this. Look at the logo and everything. I feel like I'm back at Universal. This is it, loading areas right here. Wow, look at this. Here come the ride vehicles. Yeah, it's a tracked ride. Look at the theming. All the lights and everything. Better than an arcade. Jurassic Resurrection. This looks fantastic. I can't wait for this. Charlotte's going on after. I know. Wait till you see it here. It's well themed, this. It's good. Here we go. We're all loaded up. I'm ready for riding. So you got seats in the front. Looks like a nice ride vehicle, actually. Steering wheels down there as well. I like how they've got a little shovel there on the front as well. Thank you. Tell you what, the theme is very impressive. All the music and everything as well. Animatronics. In through the gates. There we go, back round to the station. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with that. That was great fun. Really well themed, lots of great details. Well, I've got to say, I am really impressed by that. You've got to think, these seaside amusement parks don't have the huge budgets that a lot of the major parks do. But in a way, I think that kind of adds to the charm. What they've done with that is fantastic. There's theming everywhere. You've got a lot of props, which is fantastic. All the trees, the rocks in there. It's full on practical sets. And then a few screens here and there that really add to it, much like really in Jurassic World and Jurassic Park. I just think that's brilliant. It's a really good addition here to this park. It's probably the best ride now here at Skegness Pleasure Beach in Skegness. well worth coming down here. It's a nice little amusement park anyway, with the ghost train and this. But yeah, this is absolutely brilliant. I'd love to see the ghost train have some updates done to the power of this. I thought it was absolutely fantastic. It was nice how the ride vehicle moved quite slow throughout the different scenes as well, and then you had little bits to look into, which I thought was fantastic. The audio was really good, all the sound effects, it was very atmospheric. Obviously you had that media on the side, which reminded me a lot of the Jurassic World River Adventure located at Universal Studios Hollywood, how you've got that scene at the start of the ride where you got the screen. It was kind of a bit like that, kind of like midway into the ride. But it was nice because the building itself isn't huge. What they managed to do in quite a small space, I think is brilliant. So yeah, well done to all the team that worked on that. I think it looks absolutely brilliant, and it's a great ride. If anything, it could do with, like, you know, more people coming in to try it. It needs more signage and things out the front because it's awesome. I don't think people realise walking past how good it is in there. People who visited in the past might think, oh, is it just like a walkthrough or something like that? And they just themed the arcade up. But no, it is a ride, it's a full-on dark ride. And as far as I'm aware, the ride system is brand new as well. It doesn't look like an old system. If it is, then fair play, they've done a good job repainting it up and everything. But it looks like a brand new ride system to me. It looks great, it really does. And yeah, very much enjoyed it. Charlotte's just going round now, so we'll hear her thoughts when she comes off the ride. And here we go, reunited with Charlotte after Jurassic Resurrection. What did you think?
I thought that was brilliant. I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't think the level of detail in there would be that good. Like, the animatronics was brilliant in there. I'd have loved for it to have been a bit longer because I got to the end and I was like, I don't want it to finish. I think that was brilliant. They've done such a good job with that, and it's so re-rideable as well.
Yeah, for a seaside amusement park to build theme into that quality.
Amazing.
It's great in there. I'm going to have to give it another go because I think it's that good. Like, there's so much level of detail in there. I think it's all the little rooms at the side and everything that made it as well.
It was just so nice. Like, I love the archway with like the little flame torches on the side, like the big screen. Like, that was just brilliant. I think that was absolutely excellent.
A little preview of what's to come at Universal UK down in Bedford in 6 years' time. But I thought that was really good. Obviously they're playing the music and things as well, which really adds to it. But yeah, it was good. I really enjoyed that a lot. I thought it looked good from like bits at the park I've shared on social media. But it was brilliant to come down here and check it out. I'm going to have to give it another go. Here we go then, back on for another ride. Thought, why not? I thought it was that good. Really want to come on here and give it another go. Look at the lighting and everything here in the loaded area. It's great. And yeah, I'm quite tall and there's some good room in here. Lots of headroom as well, which is fantastic. Yeah, really nice. I was just chatting with one of the managers down here and he was telling us how it is all a brand new ride system as well. I really like this sign over here. When dinosaurs roam the land. A different play on words there. It's like all this, the signage and everything at the top's great. Raptor enclosure, the CCTV cameras on there as well, like the little signs. Look at that. All the detail in there. And the management were also saying that they're looking at changing a few bits up, adding some more bits in. Oh, I like the smoke effect. Was that on just? I can't remember. That's good. Oh, I like that. And yeah, included in the wristband as well if you're coming down here. I'd love to know what the budget was for this. Yeah, this media is very similar to what you can see at Universal Studios Hollywood on their version of the Jurassic World ride. Obviously it's very different to Jurassic Park. How good's the sign? Obviously the big animatronic at the side, but like all these little bits, there's an egg on there. Like this scene's good with the planting because you've got like the vinyl wall at the back and then they put like the real bamboo and fake plants in front of it, which really adds to it. Oh, that's lovely on the wall there, isn't it? Very detailed. The big electric fence. They've also got a couple of new additions down here as well, they were telling us, which is exciting. Talk about that when we get outside. Brilliant, really like that. Yeah, they're also telling us maybe that they can slow the ride system down a little bit more if they want to as well. So they might look at doing that. Brand new ride, so we're always tweaking things. Yeah, it's about 2.5 minutes station to station. Well, there we go, the UK's newest dark ride now open here at Skegness Pleasure Beach in Skegness. Well worth coming down here. It's a great little amusement park anyway, but the fact they've now got a brilliant dark ride, I think that's fantastic, a really good ride, and it's better than just having like a normal tracked ride outside, because that's basically what the ride system is, very similar to the likes of Postman Pat that's just been removed from Alton Towers. It isn't Postman Pat, they've not done a quick buy of that and repainted it, but that's the idea, it's that sort of tracked ride system, but instead of just putting it outside in the park and not really putting much theming around, they've put it inside, and that's what's really made it a full experience in my opinion. They could have just put that outside here with a couple of the dinosaur animatronics and it would have been nice, another ride, but I just think it really adds to it the fact that, you know, it's inside, it's a full dark ride, it's a nice experience, and yeah, really good. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about a couple of new bits they've got coming down here. The management were telling us just that they've got a Starflyer that's going to be coming at some point in the future, so look forward to that. And also as well, they've got like a wave swinger that's going to be coming in right down here in the middle of the park, and they were saying that should be in the next few weeks, yeah, in time for summer. Not too sure on the time frame for the Starflyer, but yeah, exciting. Always good to see new things coming in. And obviously I have got the Ghost Train here, which I think could do with some updates, to be honest, especially with how good that is. But there we go, Jurassic Resurrection. Really nice addition and well worth coming down here. We're going to go make our way now down to Butlins Skegness. That's going to be the next vlog coming up here on the channel. We've not done a Butlins vlog in over 2 years. It's going to be a windy Butlins vlog at this rate. Look at us, blowing everywhere. But yeah, we're going to be staying down at Butlins Skegness, and also we're going to be visiting Fantasy Island in Inglemells as well, and sharing lots of on-ride POVs. So make sure you come and join us for that here on the channel. But here from Skegness Pleasure Beach, Skegness, that leaves me with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.